Okay, here's help on 3.6 task, question number 2. We're going to pause in the middle of this and see if the students can finish this up. So if there's a sub watching this video, please remember to pause when I ask. So they're trying to figure out which type of rectangle they want for the curbside logo. Carlos says it fits better with one side is 8 inches longer than it is wide. So what would the dimensions be? And they want us to write a quadratic equation to represent this. So we've got the width, we don't know what the width is, and we've got the length is 8 inches longer. So remember, we're multiplying this, so your equation comes like something like that. That's part of the work, is figuring out how to translate this problem into an equation. Remember, we're talking about a curbside logo where we need 48 inches squared of paint. Okay, so right now, let's do pause number 1. Go ahead and pause and see if you can make a quadratic equation out of that right there. All right, let's come back. It's a lot easier when you're making this video live. Let's see, let's distribute everything and set everything equal to 0. Because remember, when f of x equals 0, that's the x-intercepts. That's what we're trying to figure out. So let's distribute x squared plus 8x equals 48, and let's bring the 48 to this side. We have a quadratic equation in standard form, set it equal to 0. Now we're ready to factor. I want you to factor this using the magic X or whatever technique works for you the best when the leading coefficient is 1, and find out what x equals. You should come up with 2 answers. Go ahead and pause now. All right, let's come back. I need to set those out where they're easier to grab. Okay, so let's see. We've got 8 and negative 48. I'm pretty sure this has to be 12 and 4, right? So it's going to be plus 12 and minus 4. That means we have x plus 12 and x minus 4 equals 0. So the zero product property, remember the h-lies concept? From here, that means x equals negative 12. From here, that means x equals 4. And we're talking in inches. So we're talking in a measurement of the side of the logo is equal to 4 inches, or the measurement of the side of the logo equals negative 12 inches. Well, it doesn't make any sense at all. So this has to be the correct measurement. So their measurement of the logo that Carlos likes is 4 inches by 8 inches. 4 times 8 does equal 48 inches squared. And that's it.